Welcome. If you're tired of Facebook automatically translating your page's cover photo, or just want more control over your content, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to disable the Translate feature specifically for your page's cover photo using the latest Facebook update on your PC. Let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to facebook.com. Log in with your credentials if you haven't already. Once you're on Facebook, look to the top of the page and click on your profile photo. This will take you directly to your profile page. Now, from your profile, locate the section where your pages are listed. Click on the page where you want to adjust the translation settings. On your page, you'll see your cover photo displayed prominently at the top. Hover your mouse over the cover photo and click on it to open the full view. Just beneath your cover photo, you'll notice 3 dots in a horizontal line. Click on these 3 dots to open a drop-down menu with more options. In this menu, look for the option labeled Turn Off Translation. Click on it. Once you do, Facebook will disable the automatic translation feature for your cover photo, ensuring that visitors see it exactly as you intended, without any automated language changes. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you've taken control of how your page's cover photo appears to your audience, keeping your message clear and consistent. If you ever want to re-enable translation, simply repeat these steps and select the translation option again. Staying updated with Facebook's latest features gives you more flexibility over your content and how it's presented to the world. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out our other tutorials for more tips on navigating Facebook's newest updates.